In this video, we introduce the all-new Realtime Intelligence. Realtime Intelligence analyzes skin data in real time, allowing you to check skin quality and preparation during the scanning process rather than after scanning is complete. This feature is activated upon license purchase, so you can begin scanning immediately. When the icon appears at the bottom of the screen, start scanning. Once scanning stops, the data is automatically analyzed and various review results are displayed. Based on the analysis results, only items that require attention are displayed as review cards for quick review. When scanning crown preparation data, HD images are generated along with various prep review information. Review information related to preparation, such as undercuts and prep margin lines, is also displayed. Undercut areas are displayed based on the automatically determined insertion axis, allowing you to adjust the preparation and rescan if needed. If margin line transitions are sharp or non-ideal, curvature color mapping is displayed around the area with the prep margin line. You can review the continuity and shape of the margin using the highlighted areas and, if necessary, refine the margin or apply additional gingival retraction before rescanning to verify the result. Information such as occlusal space, interproximal space, and reduction depth is automatically calculated and displayed. Detailed distance values are displayed on hover, allowing you to quickly identify and adjust areas with insufficient space. For occlusion, reviews of occlusal balance and occlusal patterns are provided. During occlusion scanning, abnormalities such as deep bite or unbalanced occlusion are also identified and displayed. You can verify whether the occlusion data has been captured properly based on the displayed results, and, if necessary, adjust the occlusion or rescan the area to verify the result. For scans without prepped teeth, insufficient, overlapped, or irregular data is displayed directly on the scan data, allowing quick review and identification of areas requiring additional scanning. Issue cards are automatically resolved after rescanning or adjustments. In the final Smart Scan review stage, you can review the analysis results along with occlusion analysis and select items to move directly to the relevant stage for additional review or scanning. Experience faster reviews and more stable data acquisition.